In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Revolut to any bank account. So whether it's yours or someone else's, here's how you can do it. First, just go and open up the Revolut app, and then what you want to go and do is click on Payments in the bottom of the screen. From there, click plus in the top right. And now here you want to go and select a bank recipient. Then what you can do is choose if it's an individual or a business bank account that you are sending to. And then after that, I recommend selecting the country. So if it's your country, it will be set to that automatically. If it's a different country, just go and click on the drop down and select it. From there, select the currency that the bank account you are sending to is in, or at least the bank details, and then enter their IBAN. Now, if you're sending to the UK, for example, you may need to enter a sort code and account number. But just enter the bank details that are requested, then enter the first and middle names on the bank account as well as the last name. And from there, after doing that, click on Add Recipient. And after you add them as a recipient, you will see this, so you can then transfer money to them. First, just choose how much you want to do. Then if the transfer needs to include a reference, you can add that right there. And then after doing that, just go and click on Continue. And from there, just review the transfer and then go and click on Send if everything checks out. And then the money will be deposited into the bank account. So now you know how to transfer money from Revolut to any bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.